Welcome to this video. In this video, I will discuss about the basic difference between corrosion and rusting. What are these two terms stand for? Both these terms are related to the problems occurring on the metal surfaces. Means to say that these are the two problems. These are the two diseases which occurs on the surface of metals. In this lecture, I will discuss about the basic difference between these two terms. First of all, we look at the definition of corrosion, that what is basically the corrosion is the gradual destruction of metals, means that it leads towards the destruction of metal and occurs gradually, and it occurs by the chemical and electrochemical reaction. Chemical reaction, which is simply atoms combine, and electrochemical reaction in which there is an involvement of electrons, means oxidation and reduction occurs. With the environment, means that it requires the influence of environment to occur. It results in the formation of metallic compounds, which are mostly metallic oxides. It results mostly in the loss of properties of metals, means as we know aluminium is a bright colored metal, but when there is an attack of corrosion on the surface of aluminium, then it will lose its metallic luster and will become a dull, or will not remain as bright as it was at start. So the corrosion is the gradual destruction of metal by chemical and electrochemical reaction with the environment. Conditions, the basic condition for corrosion can occur in moist air or in water free of air. Moist air means the air which doesn't have any type of water vapors, and in water free of air means that water which doesn't contain any type of air. So anything out of these two can lead towards corrosion. This is the surface of aluminium, which is bright and free from any type of attack of corrosion. And this is a corroded aluminium surface which has lost its metallic luster. This is the aluminium surface which is bright, and this is a dull colored aluminium surface due to the formation of aluminium oxide on its surface. Now we will discuss about the rusting. We have until we have discussed about corrosion, and now we will look at rusting. What is basically rusting? Corrosion of iron is commonly called as rusting. Rusting is also a type of corrosion. When it is limited to iron, then we call it as rusting. It also requires other things, but the basic thing we know is corrosion of iron is commonly called as rusting. It also results in the formation of metallic compounds, which are mostly metallic oxides. Like in the case of iron, it forms iron oxide, mostly occurs on steel and iron. This is point for consideration, that this is not limited to iron only, but it can also occur on steel surface. But it mostly occurs on steel and iron, but it can also occur on other metals. While it but it is basically it was observed, or it is observing, or it will observe on only the surface of steel and iron only. The condition for rusting is different from corrosion. Rusting requires both water and moisture at a time to occur. This is the basic difference. Corrosion of iron is called rusting is not the basic difference, but the basic difference for rusting is it requires both water and moisture at a time to occur. While in the case of corrosion, it can occur in moist air or in water free of air. But in the case of rusting, it requires both water and moisture at a time to occur. This is the basic difference between corrosion and rusting. This is iron, rusting of iron. As we know that iron is also a bright colored metal, while this is iron on the surface of which iron oxide was formed and it has lost its color and becomes orange colored material. This is the basic difference from the morphology or from the shape. This is aluminium on the surface of which corrosion has occurred, means that aluminium oxide has formed, and this is iron on the surface of which iron oxide has formed. The basic difference is aluminium has only lost its metallic luster and becomes a little bit dull, while in the case of iron it has totally lost its color and becomes a red colored or orange colored material. Now we will look at its summary, the basic difference that we have discussed in this whole lecture. Uh, First of all, corrosion is the gradual destruction of metal by the chemical and electrochemical reaction with the environment. Means that it occurs gradually by chemical and electrochemical reaction with the environment, means within the environment or with the influence of environment. While in the case of rusting, it is the formation of red or orange coatings that forms on the surface of iron and steel when exposed to air and moisture. Means that this is gradual destruction of chemical or by chemical or electrochemical reaction with the environment, but it has narrow things to describe. For it requires narrow things to describe. Means rusting requires means rusting results in the formation of red or orange coating, and it occurs mostly on iron and steel surface when they are exposed to air or moisture. It can occur on different metal surfaces, while in the case of rusting it occurs mostly on iron and steel. It can also occurs in on the surface of other metal, but mostly occurs on iron and steel, but corrosion can occurs on different metals mostly. It occurs due to the exposure to air or spread of chemicals on the surface. Means corrosion requires spread exposure to air or spread of chemicals or spread of water or moisture, etc. on the surface of metal. While in the case of rusting, it occurs due to exposure to air and moisture at a time. This is the basic difference between these two terms. Materials lose their shiny luster, means that in the case of corrosion, materials lose their shiny luster. They not remain shiny or uh, bright colored for a long time. While in the case of rusting, materials lose their shiny luster and also results are formed red or orange coatings on their surfaces. These are the basic differences. Corrosion occurs gradually by chemical electrochemical reaction, while in the case of rusting it results in orange or red colored coating. It can occur on different metals. It can occur on iron and steel mostly. It requires anything, air or moisture, but it requires both moisture and air at a time. It results in the loss of shiny luster, but it results in the loss of shiny luster as well as the formation of red and orange coatings on their surfaces. So these were the basic differences between corrosion and rusting. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.